Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 1200 plus realistic photo overlay for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com and just one time payment for lifetime access, and then you have access of my all file. Okay, so property of these 1200, okay, 2.57 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. Here 20 glow photo overlay in PNG and JPG. Here PNG. Next, here 20 and here also 20. 30 very different. Okay, here PNG 5. Same thing here 30. And cinematic light sleek photo overlay 50 lightning, and here snow light. I know you know how to use in Photoshop. For example, I open this one in Photoshop. Now we need a photo. For example, open any other photo like this one. Okay, 2000. Okay, drag here, click on screen and press Ctrl U. You can change color. I know you know. Okay, here 200 rain photo overlay, here 50 vintage light leak, here magic line. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.